All right, so let's take a peek. We are gonna walk over here. So I'm gonna show you my soup and sandwich first. It's like one of my favorites because it has the deep dish liddits with it. So you guys know this guy, right? And I'll walk you over and show you all the colors. But you're not gonna wanna wait on this, okay? So we have the deep dish liddits. Of course, we have that beautiful soup crock that is 20 ounces, one of our largest soup crocks that we offer. And then there are our plates as well. So you're gonna get two 20-ounce soup bowls, two of the deep dish liddits, and two of those trays. And then take a peek, because here's all the things we've done: hot dogs and hamburgers. We have a bacon mac and cheese. This is my favorite. Like, this is what I love it for: a grilled cheese and a soup. Grilled cheese and a soup. Love the liddits. Me too. I have to tell you, I use these liddits for everything from like a spoon rest to holding crackers, holding tea. You will get these pieces home and use them all together or use them separately. So that's what's so great about this. So take a peek. We have Believe in our buttercream and white. We have some of our seasonal left, our Winter Whimsy, and of course our, what's that pattern? Right, Egg Hunt. Thank you. Then blue and yellow are the only two we have left in Old World and the confetti. We're down to 3 in our floral lace: the blue, the black, and the red. And then we do have in Woodland just the buttercream, the gray, and the white. And of course, we have the red doodle. We're only showing you one plate, one soup bowl, and one deep dish liddet. Remember, times 2, times 2, times 2. That's what makes this so amazing. And